In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix and install Private Internet Access VPN from Google Play Store. If you are experiencing this challenge, then there are a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, in the first method, you need to go and open your Google Play Store app. So I'll go to mine here and make sure you are trying this while you are logged in. However, if you are already logged in with your Gmail account but you are unable, then tap on your Gmail account icon and scroll down to settings. From settings, go to network preferences, and from here choose the first option, app download preference, and choose over any network. Here you have to note that your mobile data might be used to install apps with this option. But the good thing is, this will ensure that you are able to install or download apps via any network that you are connected to. From here, tap on OK to save the changes and then go and search for your app and install it. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your issues. But if this is not working, you will need to go and find if the issue is with your Google Play Store itself. For that, we need to go to Play Store app, locate where it is on your smartphone, and access its app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see we have app info. Depending on your phone, you might be missing this, but you should have a settings gear just next to this pop-up, or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of this to access Play Store app info page. As you can see, at this point we want to clear the app data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data. So we are interested in this cache data, and as you can see, I have 5.76 MBs. When these files accumulate, they might cause your Play Store to malfunction, thus being unable to install apps. To fix this, tap on clear data down here and choose the last option, clear cache, and final OK. And look at that, the cache data has been wiped. You'll need now to restart your smartphone and go to Play Store, then search for your app. So let's try now and see if this works. I'll go to Play Store, search for my app, Private Internet Access VPN. Here it is. And then I'll go tap on it and try to install. Let's see if this works. And here we go. Now our app is downloading and installing the VPN. So you will need to ensure that your data is turned on or you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi for this to happen. And here we go, we have our app. So that's how you can fix and install Private Internet Access VPN app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.